Hey guys, welcome to Linkin Profits. This is the overview of what this training is all about and how to use this application and where to find what. We are tapping into 740 million users. LinkedIn has around 740 million users, and this is one of the leading social network where very few people have explored. What we have given for you guys is it's an automated tool that gets you free traffic from LinkedIn. Along with that, we are giving 5 offers which are proven that converts time and time again. The main thing you need to focus on the membership area is the dashboard, which pretty much explains what all the features we have in LinkedIn Profits, and everything is self-explanatory in these videos where you can't ever miss. The one more thing is we are giving this done for you campaigns, which will be given out here. Along with that, the most proven high ticket offer will be given here. Everything is explained in this module, so let's not waste time. Let's get into the dashboard and see what it all explains. See you in the next video. Thank you.